Hey everybody, Greg Luchak here with the Luchak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice, bringing you an exciting new home listing tour. The property that we're at today is 238 Turf Trail Place. This is a truly beautiful home located in a fantastic neighborhood. We're here in Countryside, located in Fountain, Colorado, just south of Colorado Springs, with super easy access to the Fort Carson military base. You've also got fantastic District 8 Fountain Fort Carson schools, conveniently located. You've got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. You're over 1,600 total square feet. As you can see, you've got a fantastic 2-car oversized garage. But what really makes this home so special, in my opinion, is this huge lot that we're sitting on. The lot is over 9,600 total square feet, which gives you a generous backyard. You've got access through that side gate for additional parking. You can see you've basically got another garage space detached here with this fantastic storage area. Beautiful covered patio, custom fire pit. This home has been immaculately maintained and beautifully updated. You can see from the front landscaping to the rear landscaping to those super cool pink colors as well as light fixtures, how beautifully updated this home really is. The cool stuff continues even more as we get inside, so let's go take a closer look. When you enter, you're greeted by beautiful real hardwood floors that meet you from the front door and take you into this big great room that gets tons of natural light, has updated ceiling fans and light fixtures, and transitions beautifully into a super big dining room area. The lighting package in the dining room and kitchen has been beautifully updated as well. You've got a large kitchen pantry, and you've got a kitchen that's been updated with recessed lighting, updated countertops, beautiful stainless steel appliances, subway tile backsplash, as well as durable and waterproof luxury vinyl flooring. From that dining room, you walk out to that beautiful covered backyard area. This is a fantastic entertaining space, and this gives a great blend of indoor and outdoor living. As we go upstairs, you've got 4 generous bedrooms. You've got a beautiful big master bedroom with a large master closet and attached master bathroom that's been beautifully updated. You've got another full bathroom on the upper level that's been really nicely updated as well. And of course, you've got 3 large additional bedrooms on the upper level that get great natural light and have good closet space as well. The carpet is in fantastic shape, feels super comfortable on your feet. This home is absolutely move-in ready. Thank you so much for checking out this home video tour. If you'd like more information, please visit our website at www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour of this home, please give me a call at any time at 719-271-8888. And we are offering 2.5% compensation to any realtor who brings us a buyer. Thanks so much. See you on the next one.